What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got an interesting watch on my table. मैं क्यों interesting कह रहा हूँ? Because this particular watch brand doesn't fall under the mainstream watch brands like Seiko or Citizen. Rather, ये एक underdog watch brand है. And the reason I'm saying this, when I was reading about this particular watch and its specifications, एक question मेरे दिमाग में आया. That is, what all that they are offering is just under 16,800? I mean serious, 16,800, and that too with such lush specifications. So that is the reason I have added this watch in my collection. This is the Ratio and this is a FreeDiver GMT watch with model reference number RTF061 और ये एक Singaporean micro watch brand है and this watch is making some serious noise under the table in the affordable automatic watch community. तो चलिए इस वॉच को देखते हैं. इस वॉच को अनबॉक्स करने से पहले आई वांटेड टू ऐड कि दिस पर्टिकुलर वॉच हैज नॉट कम टू रिप्लेस द फेमस रोलेक्स जीएमटी मास्टर, बट अगर एक अच्छे वॉच और एक अच्छा प्राइस पॉइंट आपको चाहिए देन आई थिंक दिस पर्टिकुलर वॉच इज गोना बी making your pockets very happy and very friendly. The reason is कि Ratio is offering such a lucrative option under such a price tag. तो चलो Ratio के बारे में थोड़ा सा जानते हैं. Ratio started their journey in the year 2017 and they had one simple point on their mind, that is to build premium adventure watches without charging the luxury prices to their consumer. So instead what they did कि उन्होंने कोई celebrity endorsement या फिर कोई boutique पे invest नहीं किया. Rather, they wanted something which the watch lovers actually care about, and that is a premium build quality, a reliable movement, and better materials in their watch. And that is the reason all their collections, be it a dive watch, be it a adventure watch, be it a pilot watch, has got everything, and you can use it in any kind of conditions, and especially outdoors. Let us unbox this watch, guys. What we have here, I think कुछ गिर गया. Okay. So we have a tag from Ratio, and I see this is a welcome letter stating welcome to the Ratio family. Also at the below I see there is a QR code which says to download the user manual. We have the Ratio international warranty for 2 years. They have standard. Now the main beauty in question. Wow, look at that beautiful. The dial looks really stunning and beautiful. The first thing that's very eye-catching is that beautiful white dial with this beautiful Pepsi bezel. The blue and the red color is really looking nice. Let's take this plastic off. That's really beautiful, guys. तो चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं. Comes with a nice cushion. Along with that, it's got the Ratio engraved in it, or rather I can say the Ratio logo. That's a very nice clasp with an additional feature. So basically this is to protect so that this doesn't open. Now look at that, even the screw down crown has got the Ratio branding in it. Wow, look at those clicks. That's beautiful. Let's see the back. Well, this doesn't have a display case back, but rather like a solid case back. And I must say that the engraving that they have done, this shows that the brand is really serious of what they're offering. Also, अगर आप देखोगे तो you can see a female diver engraved in this case back. दोस्तों, जब मैं ये ब्रांड को कंसिडर कर रहा था मेरे कलेक्शन में ऐड करने के लिए, तो मुझे ब्रांड से पता चला कि ये जो वॉच पे व्हाइट कलर का डायल है, दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स माउंट एवरेस्ट और बेजल में जो ब्लू एंड रेड कलर किया गया है, विथ दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स द स्काई ड्यूरिंग द सनराइज एंड द सनसेट। वेल, दैट्स अ प्रीटी कूल स्टोरी बाय द ब्रांड। बट रियलिटी में अगर मैं खुद को या फिर मेरे दूसरे कंज्यूमर दोस्तों को देखूं, वी आर नॉट क्लाइंबिंग माउंट एवरेस्ट, नॉट एट ऑल। रादर हम लोग अपने ऑफिस के स्टेयर्स हर दिन क्लाइंब कर रहे और ऊपर नीचे कर रहे, तो वही रियलिटी हमारे लिए है। बट स्टिल, दिस वॉच actually gives you a very luxurious feel, especially with that white dial and the bezel that represents the blue and the red color. Moving to the specification, तो ये वॉच आता है एक 40 mm केस डायमीटर के साथ। थिकनेस इस वॉच का है 13.6 mm, which includes the crystal as well as the lower case back। और अगर मैं इस वॉच का ब्रेसलेट का लुक विथ का बात करूं, तो दैट्स 20 mm और नीचे की तरफ दैट्स 18 mm। ओवरऑल the watch comes with a really beautiful oyster bracelet, and the finishing of that bracelet is really good, which proves that this particular brand is actually considering quality very seriously and also offering it to its consumers. चलो मूवमेंट का बात कर लेते हैं। So this particular watch comes with the Seiko NH34 automatic GMT movement, which means this particular movement is very affordable and is being considered by most of the watch brands in recent years, क्योंकि इसका जो फीचर है, it gives you a automatic winding, a manual winding, a GMT hand, a hacking seconds, a date display, and 24 jewels. Plus, this movement offers 21,600 vibrations per hour, which means that this watch will give you more than 40 hours of power reserve. And the movement has earned its reputation because ये movement is not only reliable, it is service friendly and it's built to last for a very long time. और GMT का जो फंक्शन है, अगर मैं लेमन लैंग्वेज में बताऊं, तो इफ यू हैव योर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स जो यूएस, कनाडा, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, एनजेड या फिर कोई यूरोपियन देश पे रहता है, यू नो कि किनका टाइम आपको कंसिडर करना चाहिए और किनका टाइम नहीं। स्पेशली टू दोज रिलेटिव्स हु वुड ऑलवेज कम एंड टेल यू कि बेटा शादी कब कर रहे हो, टाइम निकल जा रहा है। अगर वॉच के पीछे की तरफ देखें तो इट हैज गॉट अ ब्यूटीफुल स्क्रू डाउन केस, a beautiful screw down crown. I think that's a very much essential part of any dive watch these days. और अगर मैं इसके water resistance का बात करूं, it comes with a 200 meter of water resistance. That means that you have a peace of mind when you're going for swimming. It is not going to create any problems. अगर आप beach holiday consider करने वाले हो, then just take it and enjoy. अगर आप बारिश में भीगने वाले हो, it is very easy. लेकिन अगर आप deep dive करने वाले हो, then only use it till 200 meters until unless you're considering yourself secretly as Aquaman. Friends, मेरा अगर honest review आप लोग सुनोगे, then what I can tell you is for 16,800 you're getting a watch जो आपको ऑफर कर रहा है Seiko NH34 automatic GMT movement, sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating, 200 meters of water resistance, a screw down crown, a beautiful stainless steel back with screw down, also a beautiful stainless steel bracelet with such genuine impressive finishing, and this is actually beautiful. So I think this particular watch is ticking all the boxes that a person should consider when they are considering a dive watch for themselves under such a price point. So friends, I hope कि आज का वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा, and if you like the Ratio FreeDiver watch which comes with a beautiful white dial and a Pepsi bezel, then let me know in the comment section. या फिर आपको लगता है कि you want to go for something traditional or more classy with a different dial color such as beige, black, blue या फिर green या फिर red, do let me know and I'll try to find those sort of watches for you under a particular price point as well as a particular brand. Or maybe if you have any choice or preference, then do let me know as well. I'll try to give you the best possible knowledge that I have for such watches. और अगर आपको लगता है कि मेरे वीडियोस आपको हेल्प कर रहा है, then in that case do like, share and subscribe and support my channel on the long run, and I'll bring you the most honest and best reviews for such watches as well as other products in my channel. Until then, I'll see you next time. Goodbye and take care. And as I always say, looking good is for everyone.